Welcome to Stimulus Wealth Today. The federal government has been considering different ways to support individuals and families facing financial challenges. Among the most discussed measures is the introduction of direct payments that can provide a safety net for those in need. A proposal that has gained attention recently involves stimulus checks that could reach up to $5,000 for eligible individuals. The idea behind this program is to provide a significant boost to households that may be struggling with the rising costs of living, unexpected expenses, and economic uncertainty. Eligibility for these payments depends on specific factors, including income levels, filing status, and in some cases, the number of dependents within a household. Generally, the government seeks to prioritize individuals and families who fall within certain income brackets. The purpose is to ensure that those who need financial relief the most will receive it, while maintaining fairness in how resources are distributed. For example, single filers earning below a particular income threshold may qualify for the full payment, while those earning more may see reduced amounts. Married couples filing jointly, along with households that support dependents, may also have tailored eligibility rules designed to match their circumstances. The potential stimulus check of $5,000 is not just about immediate financial relief. It is also intended to stimulate the broader economy by putting money directly into the hands of people who are likely to spend it. Economists have often emphasized that when households receive direct support, they typically use it on essential needs such as housing, groceries, healthcare, and transportation. This spending, in turn, supports local businesses and strengthens economic activity within communities. The larger size of these payments makes the M particularly impactful, as it allows families to cover more than just basic expenses and potentially pay down debt or save for future needs. Payment dates are always one of the most anticipated parts of such programs. Individuals want to know when they can expect funds to arrive in their bank accounts or through mailed checks. Government agencies usually release an official schedule once legislation has been finalized and systems are prepared to handle distribution. Payments are often sent in phases to prevent overwhelming processing systems, meaning not everyone will receive their funds on the same day. Direct deposit is typically the fastest method, allowing eligible recipients with registered bank information to access their money sooner. For those who rely on paper checks or prepaid debit cards, delivery may take longer due to mailing and processing times. The process of rolling out such large-scale payments requires careful coordination between federal departments, the Internal Revenue Service, and in some cases, state agencies. Past experiences with stimulus payments have shown that clear communication is critical to avoid confusion or delays. To prepare, the government usually provides online portals where individuals can check their eligibility, update their direct deposit details, and track the status of their payment. Having accurate and up-to-date tax information is especially important, as it is often the primary method used to verify income levels and determine eligibility. There are also considerations for individuals who may not traditionally file tax returns. Many low-income households, seniors, and people receiving certain benefits might fall into this category. For them, special systems are often created to ensure that they are not left out of the process. This can involve submitting a simplified form or relying on information already available, from benefit programs like Social Security or disability payments. The goal is to make the process as inclusive as possible so that every eligible person can access the support intended for them. Another key point is taxation. Typically, stimulus checks are designed as tax credits or advanced payments of credits, meaning they are not considered taxable income. This allows recipients to use the full amount for their needs without worrying about losing a portion to federal taxes. However, the exact structure depends on the final legislation. People are always encouraged to review the details once finalized, especially if they have unique financial circumstances or questions about how the payment interacts with their existing benefits. For individuals who may owe back taxes, child support, or other obligations, the rules around offsets also matter. In some past programs, stimulus checks were partially or fully intercepted for overdue child support, while other debts were exempt from collection. Clear guidance from the government is expected to outline how the $5,000 payments will be handled in similar cases. Understanding these rules helps recipients plan more effectively and reduces surprise when payments arrive. The distribution of such payments is also closely linked to the timing of the broader economy. Lawmakers weigh factors like inflation, employment levels, and consumer confidence before deciding on the size and timing of stimulus programs. By providing a larger payment in one installment rather than smaller recurring amounts, the intention may be to deliver more immediate impact. This approach can be particularly useful in helping households recover from sudden financial stress or unexpected expenses. It is worth noting that different groups of people will experience these payments differently. Younger individuals may use the funds to manage student loans or set aside savings for future education. Families with children may find relief in covering childcare costs, clothing, and food. Seniors may use the payments to support retirement expenses or healthcare needs. In every case, the $5,000 is designed to offer flexibility, allowing people to make choices that best fit their unique circumstances. In the days leading up to distribution, communication campaigns usually encourage recipients to be cautious of scams. Unfortunately, whenever large payments are expected, fraudulent schemes often emerge. Scammers may send fake emails, text messages, or phone calls claiming to help people claim their checks faster. Official agencies consistently remind the public that they will never ask for personal banking details or payments in order to release stimulus funds. The only safe way to check eligibility or status is through the government's verified online portals and customer service channels. Disclaimer: the information provided in this script is for general informational and educational purposes only. It does not represent official government policy or guarantee that any specific payment program, including the mentioned $5,000 stimulus checks, has been approved or will be issued. Eligibility rules, payment dates, and program details can only be confirmed through official government announcements and verified agencies such as the Internal Revenue Service or other authorized departments. Viewers are strongly advised to rely on official government websites and trusted news outlets for the latest updates. This content should not be taken as financial, legal, or tax advice. Always consult with qualified professionals or official resources for guidance related to your individual situation.